Okay, for year 7, this is for spring. I'm going to run you through how to be able to play these songs on the piano. I'll also do another one for the phone app as well, as it's going to be slightly different, but otherwise the main idea is the same. So this is a blank copy of the sheet that you're going to get. What you would have done, you'll have the numbers on top to tell you which fingers to use, but you're going to have to write the notes in underneath. So based on what we've done in class with our note reading, if it's on a line, we've got Every Good Boy Deserves Football. If it's on a space, we've got FACE, face. So counting from the bottom, you've got to figure out what each of these notes are and write them underneath. And that's just going to be able to help you know which notes to press in case you lose your hand position. Now, I haven't put hand position on here because I don't want to give away what note goes with which number, because the whole point of this term is to be able to read this sheet music. So we've got a couple here that are slightly different. We've got this one down below with a line through it. This is a C. If we come down, this one's our E because Every Good Boy Deserves Football, so E on the bottom. If we come down, we go into a space, and if we come down one more, we go down to our C. So C, something, E. Based on our alphabet, we know that D fits in the middle. And this note over here, that's our D. So below with no line, D, below with a line, C. So once we've figured out these notes, we can put our hand position as normal, C, D, E, F, G, and then we just play through our song, and it sounds like this. So we've got a rest to start with. So in our heads, we're just going to rest on beat 1, and then we're going to go rest 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to hold that note down for those whole 4 beats. And then we do that exact same thing again. And then we almost do it again, except we've got 2 beat notes here. So remember, we actually have to press and hold for 2 beats before we can move on. So from the beginning, we go rest. I'll just start it again so you can see it. Rest. And then rest again. Second line. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're in our second line. Our third line, sorry. You got a 2 beat note here before we move on. Again, we just got to read how long we hold the notes for, write in what notes they are, we'll be fine. The only difference is this one right here. This is our minimum, our 2 beat note with a dot next to it. Now what the dot means is we add half of its value. So if its value is 2, half of 2 is 1, we're adding that beat 1 to 2, so this equals 3. Value is 2 plus half, which is 1, 2 plus 1 equals 3. So we have to hold this for 3 beats. Right? This part sounds like. Mistake on my part, I'm just going to do that again. Then rest. So the whole thing from the beginning goes like this. Rest. Once again, keeping my hand in the exact same spot, not moving around, just pressing down the correct fingers, and that's when the Saints Go Marching In. You can play that as fast or as slow as you want to.